and welcome to Ma's Table, where you find God in gourmet. Today I'm making really fun and festive seasoned pretzels. They're garlic and dill. I get this big jar. It's UTZ pretzels, and I usually get it at Sam's. It's 3 pounds, 8 ounces. It's about $9. So you need one of these. You need 3/4 a cup of oil. This is Orville Redenbacher's popping and topping oil. This runs about $5 depending. And then 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing, 1 tablespoon of dill. Oh, this is garlic, 1 tablespoon of dill. So to reiterate, 3 tablespoons of ranch, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of dill. So the recipe actually calls for a cup of this oil, but you really don't need it. So I just pour the oil over and I let that cup sit on top for a bit. And while it's sitting, I'm just gonna mix the ranch, the dill, and the garlic together. This is a super easy and super fun recipe. I remember when I first tasted these pretzels, I literally stopped and went, oh, it was so good. So this is what I like to give during the holidays as presents, and also when I travel, I take it because it's a big hit. But as you can see my elf outfit? It is Christmas time. All right. So I'm just gonna mix this together, and I'm gonna spare you the noise. I'm gonna mix this together. I usually do about 30 mixes. After putting the oil on and mixing it, I let it sit for 5 minutes just to let the oil get saturated in the pretzels. And I'm going to put this yummy seasoning over it. And I'm gonna mix it again, and then I'll be ready. Now that it's mixed, it's time to take a little taste. That is so good, and it's so crunchy. Can you hear the crunch? I'm quite confident that you can. The combination of the ranch, the dill, and the garlic powder is so good. As we say here in Hawaii, it's a winnah. It's so good. So I usually put these in little bags to give away, and I find that when all of these pretzels are distributed, then there's some leftover seasoning at the bottom of the bowl. So I get a tablespoon and I make sure I put in the extra seasoning in every bag, because that is what makes it taste so good. So what is the spiritual message in this recipe? It is to have fun, to dress up once in a while, do something fun, put on something decorative, and enjoy your life, enjoy what you're doing. I know the holidays can be super stressful. There's so much to get done, but if you make it fun, put on some elf ears and get a Santa hat. I have these cute little booties, Santa booties that I put on, but they have bells, so I didn't want to wear it here because you'd be hearing bells and it's like that, but I do have bells on my apron. Can you hear that? Let me show you my little elf outfit. Isn't that fun? That's the message. Yes, it's a spiritual message, because we all need to find balance. It's not about work, and then cook and clean and whatever. It's about being present, really enjoying what is in front of you, your food, your family. So I wish you happy holidays, and I wish you fun with making these pretzels, and I hope it becomes one of your favorites as it is mine. Till next time, take care. Aloha.